Hi, Austen Thomson here. I'm going to show you this new Schwarzkopf product called the Bond and Thomson Premium Clay. So it's the first time in the UK, I think, that there has been a clay product for lightening hair for freehand application. So we are going to use that to lift up some of this hair over here. This is a lovely Shelby. So we're going to lighten up a few pieces through here in this middle band. So we are going to mix up 16 mils. We'll take that up to 25. So we're giving this a mix and it should be quite thick. So if you are new to this channel, my name is Austen. I'm a hairdresser based in Edinburgh. I'm also a digital ambassador for Schwarzkopf Professional. Now this channel is all things to do with hair and technology and hairdressing. With that being said, this is a new Blondme clay lightener, alright? It's been anticipated for a while in the UK because I'm not sure we've had a clay lightener, so this is the latest in the Blondme portfolio. So here is a wee first look at that. Mixed it with 6%, the product dries on the outside, it creates like a shell and that stops it from bleeding on to the rest of the hair, so it means you can do freehand application, but it retains the moisture inside so it still allows the hair to get the lift. You can use this with 9% and you can also use it with 12%. In fact, you have to use it with the 12% if you want to get the 7 levels of lift. I used the Vibrance 9.546 to keep it warm, put a nice gloss on it, and then I used the Fibreclinix. Once every so often there is a really amazing product that comes out, and then this one is the Fibreclinix. So that will repair all 21 of the carbon chains inside the hair and make the hair feel absolutely spanking. So you know what, get yourself subscribed to the channel, come on, you know you want to. And I'll see you in the next video.